Why do we bless sneezes? 5 weird tradition origins. You won't believe number 3. Blessing sneezes might date back to the Roman plague when Pope Gregory I ordered it, hopping to protect people. Clinking glasses. Some say it started in ancient times to slosh drinks together, proving neither was poisoned. Birthday candles likely originated with ancient Greeks honoring Artemis with moon-shaped cakes and candles. Knocking on wood. It might come from pagan beliefs about good spirits living in trees. Crossing fingers for luck. It could stem from early Christians making the cross symbol secretly, or pagan beliefs about intersecting spirits. Which tradition surprised you most? Like and subscribe for more weird history.